Hello, guys, and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today, I am going to unbox an M2. Yes, you heard it right. This is like my first M2 car that I have ever got. It's a 1932 Ford Roadster, and I'm not familiar, or I do not know if they usually how they seal these. I mean, this is kind of open, so it's really like easy. And here's it. See, a beautiful model. I don't know how this one comes. Okay, so we have this here. Oh wow, easy peasy. So there are two screws. I'm going to unscrew them both and going to show the model. Just give me a moment. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video for now. Okay, and once I have I don't know what to say, unscrewed this one from the base, I'll show you. But don't you think this is a very cool feature to put a checker plate detail on it? I think it's really cool. Okay, give me a moment, guys. Oh my god, this was quite a task, guys, to unscrew it from the base. And finally, I was able to do it without damaging it. So yes, this was the thing I was talking about. I really like what the way they created this base in a checker plate form. I like it. I really like it. Just put this here. And here's your car. Wow. Isn't this awesome? This is amazing. See this. This is all metal, and I really like the details they put here in the exhaust. And what is crazy? It rolls. It rolls perfectly. Perfectly. Now let's put this on the turntable and a closer look. Right? Let me bring the turntable here. Switch it on. How to want it to fall. Man, I don't know why I never had an M2 in my collection before. And now when I start to get to the first one, this is the first car I got, the 32 Ford. I became a fan of this. The way they created it, the color, the tail lights on this. It's a classic car with the classic look. And M2 did not miss a single thing. Look at that engine and the beautiful headlights with the radiator. And I've already showed you the exhaust going down, and it's so good. It's a Moonlight Deco. The color is different other than the yellow one, but still it looks super fantastic. So guys, that was your crazy M2 1932 Ford Roadster. I really love this casting, and I am really totally digging this, the way they created it. This is amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Do let me know in the comments what do you think about this casting. How many M2s exactly you guys have? Till then, see you in the next one.